Who doesn't love a fresh cut fry? Raise your hands. I do. It's one of my favorites. In fact, I'm going to show you how to make it. It's not really hard. It's actually pretty easy. The hard part is just waiting for it to saturate in water, and I'm getting ready to show you that. But I got one of these presses here. Makes it easy. Obviously, you can use a knife if you need to. I've done that. But this makes it so much more easier. You can process a bunch of potatoes all at once, and it turns out great. So without further ado, potato.
Let's go!
Alright, so this is how easy this is. I just washed my potato, put it in the press, and then basically it's just a matter of boom, squeezing it over and letting it fall into the thing. I'll let you see from the other perspective what that looks like. And like I said, this press works out really good. Alright, so here it is from the other perspective so you can see it. Boom, fries into a bowl. Next step is I'm just going to basically put these in some water along with a little bit of salt, and then we'll let that basically that'll help get all the starches out of here, and then we'll go on to the next step, which is essentially baking these before we put them into a fryer. So stay tuned for that. Crispy fries coming right up. Alright, these have been soaking for about an hour. I'm just going to get them out here on a paper towel and then get them ready to get onto a baking sheet. I'll be basically baking these around 400. Usually takes around 45 minutes, so really the two long processes for this is obviously letting these soak in water, and then of course letting them bake before you actually deep fry them. But I'm telling you, they make the best fries ever, and it's nothing like it. So go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this is going to be you'll definitely like how these turn out. So here we go. The fries are ready. Got to double click my tongs. Let's get this going. We'll go ahead and get these on the grill, and yeah, this should be good. Well, just can't dump these fries in there any way I want. Gotta be careful. A little bit at a time. That way it doesn't get crazy. Look at that. Nice little crispy fry. Kind of hard to beat. Look at that. So good. Can't wait to try this. Now, the one thing you gotta be careful about when you're getting these off the grill, especially a gas grill, you can't just drip that grease anywhere. So, a little safety tip for you from Fire Marshal Bill today. Anyway, we're getting these in there, and then we'll get these salted and ready to go. Fries for days. Alright, sometimes a good fry just needs a good guy. So good. Definitely check out this recipe. It's really good.